How to pin a comment in Facebook post. To pin a comment in Facebook post, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can open up your Facebook. Now go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then scroll down, go with settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to go with search, and you need to search for public post. Now once you search for the public post, you will have followers and public content. Tap on that, and here you will have an option of show most relevant comments first. So once you find that option, you just need to simply go and toggle on the option. Once you toggle on the option of relevant comments first, then you'll be able to have all of your relevant comments at first of your photo or your video, your post. Now once you've toggled that on, you can go back and then you can go with your post and you will have the comment option right there. And you can go with the comment and pin. So that's how you can pin a comment in Facebook post, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.